So welcome back class 12 student of CBSE board. Today we are going to do the theme, the rhyme scheme and the poetic device of the poem Keeping Quiet. The theme of the poem is the urgent need for mankind to introspect, to live in peaceful coexistence in this world. Introspect means to know yourself, to take out time from your busy life to know yourself. Generally we keep on thinking about others, our family members, our friends and others. We don't get time to think about ourselves. So जिसमें आप अपने लिए सोच सकें, आत्म मंथन कर सकें, जिसको इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कहते हैं हिंदी में, ये है थीम इसकी. Now the rhyme scheme, it's a free verse poem. ये एक free verse poem है. And now we'll do the poetic device or the figure of speech of this poem. Now and count, underline these two words, they are assonance. Assonance means use of vowel sound O. Count to 12 is symbolic, it symbolizes measure of time. We will is alliteration. Let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second. So two consecutive lines are starting with L. So this is anaphora. We would all be together. We would is alliteration. In a sudden strangeness is again alliteration. Fisherman in the cold sea. Cold sea is transferred epithet. I repeat, cold sea is transferred epithet. I'll read out the spelling for you. TRANSFERRED EPITHET, transferred epithet. So cold sea denotes the coldness of fishermen, and they do not bother about protection of sea life. Now we move on to the next stanza. Wars with gas, wars with fire. War is repeated again and again, so it is alliteration. You can take it as a repetition also. Remember, there could be two figure of speech for a single line. So it's repetition as well as alliteration. Victory with no survivor. Okay, so this is O sound, again assonance with O sound. In the shade, it put on clean clothes. Clean clothes is alliteration. It's symbolic also. Symbolic, it symbolizes peace and change in one's opinion. In the shade is metaphor. If we were not so single-minded. We were again alliteration. So single, again alliteration. And for one could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence. Mark this line. And for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. This is enjambment, and ENJAMBMENT. When a line is continued to the next line without any pause, without any comma or any other punctuation mark, it's called enjambment. So this is enjambment. Now we move to the last stanza. The earth can teach us as when everything seems dead. Again, this is personification. Earth is personified as a teacher. So these were the figure of speech, rhyme scheme and the theme of the poem Keeping Quiet. We'll meet with to discuss the poetic device of the other poems. Till then, thank you, goodbye.